If you're encountering a checkout error on Squarespace Commerce, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment settings. Ensure that your payment settings are correctly configured. Go to the payment section in your Squarespace settings and verify that your payment processor is connected and set up properly. Step 2. Review product availability. Confirm that the products customers are trying to purchase are in stock and available for sale. Check the inventory settings for each product to ensure they are not marked as out of stock or hidden. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Test in incognito mode. Open your website in an incognito or private browsing window. This mode disables extensions and uses default settings, which can help identify if the issue is related to browser extensions or settings. Step 5. Contact Squarespace support. If the error continues after trying the above steps, reach out to Squarespace support. Provide them with details about the error, including any error messages in the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the checkout error on your Squarespace Commerce site. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.